We're going on a hike.
Right, so we're just here at Raven Rock. We're gonna go hiking and bringing you guys along. Let's get going. Yes!
I'm breathing heavy.
Knees weak, arms spaghetti.
What? Arm spaghetti?
Yes!
No, that's the...
No, that's the spaghetti remix.
Oh.
You know what I'm talking
heard
about? The Eminem song?
I've heard the Eminem song. But not
Yeah,
the
but they
spaghetti
changed
one.
like all the words to spaghetti.
No.
Look it up on your phone right now.
The only spaghetti one I heard
Look
when he
it
goes up on his sweater.
I think, no, that is the one.
Yeah, no.
Yes?
No, the song is literally like Mom Spaghetti.
Yeah.
Like, but you just replaced the wrong word with spaghetti.
No, that's one of them.
That's not the lyric.
Whatever. How cute is this tree? It's got all these little couples on it.
Look at A and J.
I know.
Aiden
An
and
A and J
Josh.
right there.
Aiden
And
plus
A and
Josh.
J. Super cute. How's our hike been so far, Audrey?
I'm feeling pretty good right now because we had to take a break because it's been like really hot and sweaty and kind of itchy.
Kind of itchy?
Yeah, it said moderate, but I'm convinced it was like severely hard.
So, we're 2.5 miles in. We got 2.5 miles to go. So, we're really hot and really sweaty, and I'm dying. But it's fun, cause friendship.
Best friend. Best friend.
So, yeah, I'll update you guys when we have reached our destination. Let's see how long that takes. 0.3 miles to go.
Thought we were actually gonna die.
So we can hear the waterfall. We're getting close to it.
I'm ready to eat lunch.
Guys, we're here. It's time for the reveal. Beautiful.
Beautiful brown water.
Goodness. That is so pretty.
How nice.
So pretty. Sitting on a rock to eat lunch. This is just so peaceful. Crazy, we just literally ran into people that we know.
Yeah,
Like people that I work with.
and people that go to school with us.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
We made it. 5 miles of hiking down, and we're finally done. So, whew, I'm tired now. I feel unsafe.
Why? Because our driver we can't make turns with our face. Ah! Okay, part 2.
Look, Mom, no hands.
On that stage singing, oh, I know a sad soul, darling, oh, I know a sad soul.